So you may have heard about Cursor. This is a really cool AI code editor that has been out for a little bit of time, but it's making waves right now. Now, what this AI editor does is that it allows you to basically code out your code with basically using natural language. So you can connect it to your code base, you can edit things in natural language like this, and it lets you write your code just by using instructions, which is pretty crazy. Now, if you want to get started and download it, what you want to do is you want to go to cursor.com. So this is the name of the website, cursor.com, and when you come here, it'll allow you to basically download it straight into your machine. So it'll probably recommend here either download for Mac or whatever system you have. So go through, you want to go ahead and download it for your system. Now when you do that, it's going to bring you into probably a pop-up that looks similar to this. So it's going to go through an initial setup process for you. You can choose however type of styling you want it to kind of look like. So choose whichever one works best for you. And then from there, you can go and kind of keep going through and setting up the instructions. So in this case, I didn't, connect it to my VS Code instance, but I still kind of kept it the same way. So now I can go ahead and kind of start going through these system settings, kind of keep continuing. And at a certain point, it will allow me to get into my Cursor system. So now I'm basically good to go. The way Cursor is kind of laid out right here, you have the ability of signing into your Cursor account if you want to manage your code base. You have your open project option if you want to open up a project. You can clone a repo or a repository that you might have, which you can go in here. You can connect it via SSH. And you also have the ability of kind of creating a new chat right here. So you can go ahead and plan, search, and build anything. If I wanted to kind of like make it have, like give me like a boilerplate code of like, give me a sample project of Flappy Bird, for example, right? I can have it kind of go through, and after logging in, it can go through and kind of give me an example of Flappy Bird. So that's just kind of another example. Now, in this case, I don't have an account signed up, so it's going to not do anything. But that is kind of an example of something you could end up doing. Now, up at the top, you can also go through and start a new chat by clicking this plus button. You can show your chat history by tapping here. You can see a few more options in here, including chat settings and all these other ones. You can exit out of chat by clicking on the X button right up here. The bottom has some of your past chats that you may have had. The top, you have a couple of different options here, including opening up Cursor settings, which we just showed you. So getting into this page, you have the ability of kind of seeing all your Cursor settings here, which is really cool. A lot of options here throughout, which is really awesome. So you have a lot of things when it kind of comes down to it for it that way. Beyond that, that's kind of how you use it. You just go ahead, you start building out your code here, you can connect it and log in. And that's essentially how you go ahead and use Cursor. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.